हाय एवरीवन, मेरा नाम है अभिनव कुमार और आप देख रहे हैं एस्पिरेंट अनफिल्टर्ड। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं ग्रेट सर्विलेंस डिबेट एक्सप्लेन्ड के बारे में, जिसमें हमारी कंट्री में बिग सर्विलेंस डिबेट चल रही है। डिबेट ये चल रही है दैट बिग टेक कंपनीज लाइक एप्पल, गूगल, सैमसंग जैसे बिग कंपनीज ये प्रपोजल को अपोज कर रहे हैं। ये टोटल क्या मामला है आज हम देखने वाले हैं, और साथ ही साथ ये देखें कि ये सर्विलेंस के वजह से हमारे राइट टू प्राइवेसी के ऊपर क्या असर पड़ने वाला है। सो हियर वी सी व्हाट इज बीइंग कंसिडर्ड। सबसे पहली बात, इंडिया इज इवेल्युएटिंग अ टेलीकॉम इंडस्ट्री प्रपोजल to force smartphone makers to keep a AGPS permanently on, where AGPS refers to the assisted GPS. Assist, assisted GPS system where GPS is on permanently and no matter how, people cannot switch it off and it will track you down everywhere. What would this include? Let's see. No option for user to switch off location services, persistent satellite based tracking available at all the time, possible disabling the operating system pop-up messages which have been every time comes up before the people when they are being traced, or message are given to the people that what is being done with them about the location which they use when they switch on their location for using GPS, like गोइंग फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू द अदर प्लेस। एक जगह से दूसरे जगह जाने के लिए जब हम सब जीपीएस का इस्तेमाल करके अपने रास्तों को ढूंढते हैं तो लोकेशन को ऑन करना पड़ता है। लेकिन अब क्या कर रही है सरकार कि हमारे पास जो डिवाइस में जो ट्रैकर लगा रहेगा, जो लोकेशन ऑन करने की सुविधा रहेगी, उसे हमेशा ऑन रहेगा और वो हमें टोटली एवरीवेयर ट्रैक कर सकते हैं। एंड नो फाइनल डिसीजन इज टेकन येट, बट it is in the parliament blocked by the opposition. But let's see what is being done. First of all, let's see what is proposal emerged. Telecom operators argue that current method provided all only cellular tower triangular. What is this? First of all, there is an area where for that area a tower is planted, and tower help network entire system to approximately locate in which area that the person is lying, but not the exact location. So within this proposal, the towering company and the several telecom company has to give their exact data of the people which they are using. The COAI, which stands for the सेलुलर ऑपरेटर्स एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया ने ये प्रपोजल लाया है कि ये टोटल एरिया को ट्रैक कर पाए, ऐसा गवर्नमेंट को ट्रेस करके दे सके। इसलिए एजीपीएस सिस्टम लाने को वो प्रपोज किए हैं गवर्नमेंट को। प्रोवाइड प्रिसाइज मीटर लेवल एक्यूरेसी। सी, this is meter level accuracy where you are exactly known by the government that where are you going, where are your exact location. The government to investigate and solve the criminal investigations of the cases. Pop-up alerts warn target, they are all being tracked. Unified system across all devices would improve compliance and speed. In essence, अगर हम लोग बात करें कि लोकेशन जो होता है वो एक नेशनल सिक्योरिटी के तौर पे देखा जा रहा है। इन एसेंस अगर हम लोग बात करते हैं तो दिस विल ट्रीट एज अ लोकेशन फॉर बिल्डिंग इन अ नेशनल सिक्योरिटी टूल्स वेयर गवर्नमेंट विल एबल टू फाइंड यू एनीवेयर यू गो और कैन बी अ वेरी यूजफुल। अगर हम लोग देखते हैं तो लोकेशन जो है वो सरकार कभी भी निकाल सकता है, किसी भी पर्सन का हमेशा वो ट्रेस करता रहेगा और वो एज अ नेशनल सिक्योरिटी भी प्रोवाइड करेगा। बट व्हाट इज द अपोजिशन आर about this policy? Let's see. Apple, Google, and Samsung objected against it because it violates global privacy norms. No country in the world has done ever before, and this is called the first time. This is against the privacy. So India is stand alone against India. India is stand alone in this policy where sensitive users become very vulnerable. Sensitive users like judges, what they are doing, where they are going, where the diplomats are doing, journals, CEO, military officials, which works under the government, where they are going should be anonymity, where they are going, what are they doing, and against this will create a threat to the national security as well. Along with this, user autonomy and transparency will disappear. Remove operating system pop-up eliminates the user's right to know what and when tracking happened. They will be not knowing what and when they are being traced. So this will be a security breach or a privacy breach of the people. So let's see what are the risks and concern about this. The phone transform into a surveillance hardware where constant GPS essence turns every smartphone into a trackable object. Function creep, build a national security, often expand into a governance, political monitoring, and tax enforcement, etc. This will create tools built for a national security, often expand into governance, political monitoring, tax enforcement, etc. Breach risk for a highly precise location database. Permanent availability creates a high value target for hackers and rogue actors. That if the data is leaked, the permanent availability creates a high value target risk for the people, as the hackers and rogue actors can track and threaten them anywhere. Chilling effect is that if people believe they are always traced, behavior and mobility descent will be changed. Let's see what is the context. Constitutional position is that the fundamental right under article 21 we see the right to privacy, where constitutional case we have seen under Puttaswamy 2017. Privacy is a fundamental right and this is being breached. Any intrusion must satisfy legality backed by a proper law. Legitimate aim is that national security and public order, but minimal intrusion, safeguard, oversight, accountability, transparency. A blank DPP Act of 2023 constant is that act all allows government to exemption for the national security. Core principle still applies to the people, but purpose has a limitations. Continuous tracking has no specific purpose. Without any specific purpose, it will lead to a waste of resources. This should be has a minimal chance to be given, where the only required data should be collected from the people. Data minimization always on location violate the principle of collecting only what is needed. We are going to see what might happens next. Highly likely that proposal is diluted, that the policy will be diluted. Case specific activation only should be given. Emergency only trigger mechanism should be given. A GPS activated only during emergency services or missing persons cases. A structured surveillance framework. Government may build detailed rules under Telecommunications Act. And audit trial, warrant-based access, limited times, and independent oversight mechanism should be there.
Before you go, I just wanted to say a massive thank you for watching. Your support means the world to me.